There is a big difference between being kind and being naive. A lot of people think emotional intelligence means you have to understand everyone, forgive everyone, and accommodate everyone. But the truth is, emotional intelligence is not just about understanding others. It is also about protecting your own peace. Because sometimes, the most intelligent thing you can do is walk away. You see, emotional intelligence teaches us empathy. We try to understand why people behave the way they do. Maybe they're stressed, maybe they're insecure, maybe they're going through something. And that's good. But here's the danger. Understanding someone does not mean tolerating their behavior forever. Hindi porke naiintindihan mo ang isang tao, kailangan mo nang tanggapin lahat ng ginagawa niya. May mga tao na ang tingin sa kabaitan mo ay kahinaan. They see your patience as an invitation to overstep, to manipulate, to take advantage. At minsan, tayo rin ang may kasalanan. Because we keep saying, okay lang, I understand, pagbigyan na natin. Hanggang sa napapansin mo na lang, ikaw na ang nauubos. Emotional intelligence is not just empathy. It is also awareness. Awareness of your boundaries. Awareness of your limits. Awareness of the kind of energy you allow in your life. Because not everyone deserves unlimited access to you. Hindi lahat ng tao may VIP pass sa buhay mo. Self-preservation is not selfish. Let me repeat that. Self-preservation is not selfish. You cannot pour into others if your cup is constantly being emptied by people who never refill it. Hindi mo pwedeng laging inuunawa ang iba kung wala nang natitirang pag-unawa para sa sarili mo. And here's where wisdom comes in. Being kind means you treat people with respect. Being wise means you also recognize patterns. If someone disrespects you once, maybe it's a mistake. If they do it twice, maybe it's a habit. But if it keeps happening and you stay, that becomes a decision. At minsan kailangan mong tanggapin na ang pagiging mabuting tao ay hindi nangangahulugan na kailangan mong manatili sa maling sitwasyon. Emotionally intelligent people know when to understand, to forgive, to distance, or to leave. Because protecting your peace is also a form of maturity. Hindi lahat ng laban kailangan mong labanan. Hindi lahat ng tao kailangan mong patunayan ang sarili mo. Sometimes, the strongest move is quiet respect. Be kind, but be wise. Be understanding, but also be discerning. And remember this. Emotional intelligence is not just about reading other people's emotions. It's also about valuing your own. Because at the end of the day, self-preservation is not the opposite of kindness. Sometimes, it is the reason kindness survives. This is Direct Talk. Real talk about life, work, and everything in between. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. Because sometimes, the most important boundary we build is the one that protects your peace. See you on the next episode.